This is Lakshmi Narayana. Currently, I am going to explain about our major project which we have done in our final year. And coming to our project is regarding prediction of fake news on social media using machine learning. And we are three teammates. Like one is me, another one Dinesh Babu, and another one is Kirti Khanna. Uh, Coming to the abstract, this is our abstract which we are used in our project. That is like the effect of fake news has increased exponentially in recent past, and something must be done to prevent this from continuing in future. Fake news is current echoing on with emerging of technology. This is like as the technology is emerging, the fake news are also increasing rapidly. Like the people are posting fake news on social media. In today's world, everyone are depending upon social media to know whether the news is fake or not. So this gonna be creating huge impact on the people who are using social media vigorously and create and trying to know the news. And this is our aim of our project. Our aim of our project is to build an machine learning model which can detect the fake news and real news. That this will be helpful for many people. That can create a healthy environment where healthy environment where the fake news will be very less. Coming to the scope of our project is detection and classification of fake news and to reduce the fraud activities. The fake news, spreading of fake news is also an fraud activity that we need to reduce. And coming to the introduction, our introduction is this. Our main aim of the project is to detection and classification of fake news. The primary channel for spreading such content is social media. As I previously mentioned in our abstract also, that social media is the mainstream that is being to do the fraud things and spread like an fake news. And also this was taken fully in like main purposes like political elections, movie reviews, and also in like a cricket. Well, the IPL or any main leagues are running, the people are going to post some fake news regarding that. And coming to the literature review, we have taken 10 literature reviews, so, but we are showing only 2 to 3 literature reviews in here. And one is this, and another one is this. Coming to the design and methodologies, we have the design and methodologies like this. And we are using two modules, that is like data collection and training using machine learning, and second one is the real-time GUI where we can get the input and output. um, Coming to our module 1, this is the dataset what we are using. And next one is like this is after pre-processing of data, and this is our machine learning code which we are using. This small description about the modules which we are using. uh, you can go through it. And module 4 is also a small brief view about that. And these are the implementation. We are using four diagrams. That is, one is architecture diagram, data flow diagram, sequence diagram, and collaboration diagram. Coming to the architecture diagram, this is how the architecture diagram will look like, where we have mentioned all the main things what we are gonna do in our project. That is like collecting the data set, pre-processing. We are using count features and TF-IDF features, like count feature and TF-IDF features. TDF, the later on we are using the algorithms, Navi Bayes, logistic regression. These are all the algorithms that just we mentioned, but we are using only the logistic regression and decision tree classifier. And coming to this is the data flow diagram, and this is the sequence diagram. This is collaboration diagram. This is the testing part. Like in every project, testing part will plays a main role. We are having three testing. One is unit testing, second one is integration testing, and third one is functional testing. Now we can go for demo. Like you can see the pictures, these are the input screenshot and this is the output screenshot, output page GUI. And coming to that, we are for implementation we are using Anaconda. In Anaconda we are using Jupyter for implementation, where this is the Jupyter Notebook 6.14 version we are using. Mm, yeah, this is the machine learning part which we are using for our project. This is we are using 5 datasets. In which this is the first dataset where we are using pre-processing, finding the null values, failing the tail of the dataset, and doing all this. And this is a dataset of two. And we are finding the rows, columns, and we are using this graph, plotting the values. And this is dataset 3, and this everything is same as well as all the datasets we are using. And coming to this, this is about the frames and datasets. We are checking the dataset shape, and then we are going to do the labeling as X train, X test, Y train, Y test, and we are using them and feeding them into the algorithm. So this is the first one, all logistic regression, and another one is the decision tree classifier. In logistic regression we got the accuracy as 87.04, and coming to the decision tree algorithm we have got 82.07, and we are considering the logistic regression as we are having the highest accuracy, and we are converting it into the model.pkl file which is used for the further implementation. We'll let you know. This is the dataset what we are using, and you can see the dataset. And now we are gonna see the GUI. This is the code where we are running for our GUI. You can see like after it is currently running. After running this, you can get an status like running on this link. When clicking on that link, we are can directly redirect it to the this page where this is a landing page of our project and GUI. And now we can check whether the news is fake or not, and we can just decide what about the project. And firstly we can take news. Okay, now we can take this news. Yeah, you can see it. It was showing the text which we have entered, and it is giving us the status of that model, like status of that news, whether it is a true news or a fake news. And we can also check with another news. So I'm now submitting. Yeah, you can see that we have given that news which was in the column of enter text, and we can see that it is showing that the news is fake. And let's go to the review part. You have seen it previously itself, and now the coming to the conclusion is this. We are finally using this logistic regression as our model, and we are creating a web application like the GUI which I have shown you previously, where you have seen that news also. These are the web references links what we have used, and these references you can check. Thank you for viewing our video. This is all about our project. Thanks for listening.